add this PC on Windows 11 desktop in seconds. First, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From the menu, click on Personalize. Scroll down and click on Themes in the left-hand sidebar. Go to Desktop Icon Settings. In the pop-up, check the box for Computer. That's this PC. Click Apply, then OK. And this PC will now appear on your desktop. That's it. Quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell so that you don't miss out any new useful videos. See you next time.